Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to obtain the character Fischl in Genshin Impact. First, it's important to clarify that Kraken Hunt isn't a known item or event for Fischl. We'll focus on how to get Fischl herself and discuss her unique outfit. She's a powerful 4-star Electro character, valuable for many team compositions. Let's dive into the main ways to add her to your roster. The primary way to get Fischl is through the game's wish system. She's a 4-star character, meaning she can appear on both limited-time event wishes and the permanent standard wish banner. When she's featured on an event wish banner, her drop rate is significantly increased, making it the best time to try for her. You can also purchase one copy of Fischl from Payman's Bargains using 34 Masterless Glitter when she is available there. Historically, Fischl was offered for free during the Unreconciled Stars event. This limited-time event required players to complete various quests and challenges, such as collecting meteorite shards and participating in combat trials. To join, players typically needed to be at adventure rank 20 or above. Completing the event granted a free copy of Fischl, along with other valuable rewards like primogems and character ascension materials. Fischl also has a beautiful alternate outfit, Ein Immernachtfest Traum. This costume was initially a free reward during the Summertime Odyssey event. Players had to collect 16 phantasmal conches scattered across the Golden Apple Archipelago to obtain it. After the event concluded, the outfit became a premium item, available for purchase in the in-game shop using Genesis crystals. It offers a unique visual but no new voice lines or animations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.